Exercise 13.4. We will discuss from question number 6 today. Question number 6, because up to 5 we have discussed already in my last video. 6. The perimeter of a rectangle is 126 meter. Perimeter is given if its length is 5 meter more than its breadth. Suppose breadth is x, then length will be 5 meter more than breadth. So x plus 5 will be the length. Length and breadth we know. We have to find out the sides of the rectangle, means length and breadth exact value we have to find. So perimeter of rectangle is what? Twice of L plus B is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is given 126. We will let the breadth be x, then length will be equal to x plus 5. So twice of L plus B is equal to 126 we can write, because perimeter is 126 we can write here. Now what is the value of length you put here? We have let the length x plus 5 and breadth is x. Okay, that is x. Okay. Now 126. X plus x, 2x plus 5. Now we will multiply this. 2 2 ja 4x plus 2 5 ja 10 is equal to 126. 4x we will leave here only. 10 will go this side. Then 126 minus 10 will be equal to 116. So x, because this 4 is in multiply with x, it will go this side. It will come in divide. 116 by 4. Then we will cancel it. 29. X value we have got 29. But length is what? X plus 5. So we will take out the length also. X value you put here, 29 plus 5 will be equal to 34. Okay, question number 6 done. Now question number 7. The price of apple is twice the price of grapes. We don't know what is the price of grapes, apple, nothing. But it is written that price of apple is twice of the price of grape. Suppose grapes price, if you will let x, then price of apple will be twice of x. Okay. So we will let the price of grapes be x. Then price of apple is equal to 2x. But the other part of the question is saying that Sia buys 2.5 kg grapes. If she is buying 2.5 kg and the 1 kg of grapes is rupees x, then what is the cost of 2.5 kg of grapes? 2.5 into x. And we know apple cost is 2x. And she has bought 1.5 kg. So what will be the total cost of apple? 1.5 into 2x. And for rupees 330, means total money she has spent to buy grapes and apple is equal to rupees 330. We have to find the price of apple and grapes per kilogram. So we have let the price of grapes be x, price of apple 2x. It is written in the question. So we will take out the value of price of grapes of 2.5 kg, 2.5 into x, and here apple cost 1.5 into 2x, because per kg cost is 2x. We will multiply, then we will add, because total cost is given 330. Now 2.5 into x, 1.5 into 2 will be equal to 3.0x. Now you will add this to 2.5 plus 3.0, what will be equal to 5.5x, and here 330. So we have to get the value of x. So this 5.5 will come in divide, 5.5. If you will remove this decimal, we will get here one more 0. Now you will cancel. 5 11 ja 55, 5 6 ja 30, 5 6 ja 30, 0. Okay. 660 by 11. Then again you will cancel. 11 1 ja 11, 11 6 ja 66, 0. 60 is the x value, means price of grapes per kg is 60, because x we have let the price of grapes. Now price of apple per kg is 2x, as we have let. Now you will put the value of x here. 2 into 60 will be equal to 120. Okay. Now question number 8. Rohan reads 1/6 of a book on Friday. Means of a book he read 1/6 of it on Friday and 2/3 of it on Saturday. Okay. And the remaining 60 pages on Sunday. Find the total number of pages in the book. Look at here. Suppose the total number of pages in a book is x. So 1/6 he read in Friday. So we will 1/6 of total number of pages of a book. So x is the total number of pages. 1/6 of it he read in Friday. Now 2/3 of it he read on Saturday. So 2/3 of the book. Okay, we are adding, because total number of pages we will write. This page plus 60 pages he has done on Sunday. Then this plus this will be equal to total number of pages in a book, that is x we have let. Okay. We will write the equation like this. Now x into 1, x by 6 plus 2x into 2 into x, 2x by 3 plus 60 is equal to x. X you can take LCM, that is 6. Now x plus 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4x. Okay. Now 4x plus x will be equal to 5x by 6 is equal to 60 is equal to x. Plus 60 is equal to x. Okay. 5x by 6. Now this x will come this side because we have to bring one side variable term and this side constant term. This is in plus, it will come in minus. This is in plus, it will come in minus. Now take one here down and take the LCM. Then 5x minus 6x is equal to minus 60. If you will subtract it, 5x minus 6x will be equal to 1x. But minus sign because 6 is greater than 5 and down 6 and here is 60. Minus minus will get cancelled. We will get x is equal to, this is in divide. It will go this side. It will come in multiply. 6 is the 36. 360 is the value of x. X means what? Total number of pages in the book that we have let already x. So total number of pages is 360. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now question number 9. The length of a pole below the earth is 2/5 of its length above the earth. Means the length of a pole below the earth is 2/5 of its length above the earth. We don't know what is the length above the earth. So let the length above the earth be x. Then below the earth will be what? 2/5 means 2 by 5 of x. If the length of the pole is 49 means total length of the pole above and below total is 49. Find the length of the pole below the earth. We have to find out the only below the earth. Look at here. The length of the pole above the earth we will let x. Because it is given in the question that length of the pole below the earth is 2/5 of pole above the earth. That is 2/5 of x. Now if you know the length of the pole below the, suppose this is earth, the length of the pole below the earth, suppose this, and above the earth is this. If you know the total length of the pole, then can we add the total length? This is below the earth, this is above the earth, and this is below the earth is equal to 49 because total length is given 49. We will add this. Now take the LCM. 5 will be down, 5x plus 2x then equal to 7x by 5 is equal to 49. 7x, this is in divide, it will go this side, it will come in multiply. So 7x is equal to 49 into 5 and this is in multiply, it will come down in divide. Then 7 7 is 49, 7 5 is 35 is the length of the pole above the earth. Now you have to find the below the earth. Below the earth is 2/5 of x. So we will write length of the pole below the earth is equal to 2/5 of x. Now we know the value of x. We will put the value of x here. 35. Now cancel it. 5 7 is 35. 7 2 is 14 meter is the length of the pole below the earth. I hope you have understood this. Question number 10, students, you have to try. This one question only I am leaving in this exercise. All the questions I have discussed. This you have to try. Okay? Otherwise, if you will not be able to solve, then only I will explain you in the group. Till then, try out. Next day we will start the new chapter, that is chapter 14. You have to but complete mental maths practice time of chapter 13 also. Linear inequation we will start the next day. Okay?